So it's your first time at Universal Orlando Resort and you're wondering, what the heck am I going to do? Well, stick with me and I'm going to give you 7 tips to help you get the best possible experience on your very first day and show you that this is the best theme park here in Orlando. So come on and join me. The very first thing you're going to want to do is get here to the park early. Early admission changes from time to time. You can just always check the app for what time the early admission will start. But make sure you always get here to the park early because you can get on rides a lot faster and a lot easier by just getting here early. Defeat the crowds. Most people are sleeping in. Get that head start over them and beat them. Number 2, you want to get your tickets in advance. Ignore going to this place here. Just so you can walk up to the entrance, scan your ticket in, and be done. And super easy to do. And when you buy your tickets in advance and online, it just helps with the flow and smoothness of the morning. Another quick tip is make sure you have your app pulled up or the paper that has your ticket on it. Make sure you have that pulled up when you walk up to the turnstiles, because this will avoid for backup. This will avoid for you getting into the park, like taking a long time. And if you have several people that you have bought tickets for, I would suggest sending them their ticket digitally or printing it out for them, so it's not one person holding up the line trying to get everybody to go through. That's just my suggestion. I'm here all the time, so I understand and I see things that could be done quicker for you to get into the park a lot quicker. My number 3 tip for you to start out your day and to get the best experience possible is to download the Universal Orlando app. Now with this app, you can see the park hours, the wait times on the rides. You can also mobile order on it as well. It's a nice addition to having in your hand as you're going throughout the park. Now if you do not like the digital age and you don't like using phones and stuff like that, you can always pick up a physical map, but this way you can see the wait times very easily. You can mobile order food, and you can also check the park hours if you're curious of what time it's going to close. So I think it's very beneficial. Tip number 4, you're gonna wanna purchase a Freestyle Cup. With the Freestyle Cup, it's a really simple, easy process. You pay the fee for the day, and then you get unlimited refills every 10 minutes of the day. So you can drink your drink real quick, wait 10 minutes, get you another one, and then keep on going, keep on going. Now, if you come back the next day, you will have to pay $10 to get it reactivated. So it's $10 a day for every day that you're here to get that reactivated. I still think it's a really good deal considering drinks themselves are like $5 to $6 just for a medium drink. This is a pretty large drink and, you know, it's unlimited. So 10 bucks, you're gonna save a ton of money doing that. We always do it. We actually bring ours and put water in ours because you can go to the machines and get the water for free. So that is definitely another tip that I think you guys should use, especially on your first day, especially because it gets really hot out here and it gets really, really exhausting. At least by noon, you're worn out. You're sweating to death, you're worn out, you need something to drink. Why not have that Freestyle Cup? And it's really easy because Universal has actually holders that you can buy for about $16 that you can actually hook to your bag so you don't have to carry it around all day. It's genius. So these are just 7 tips, by the way, that I feel like would help me through my first day. Things I wish I had known the first day, things I wish I would have done. And they're not like essentially things that you have to do, but I think these things will help you on your first day, will help you to get through it, will help you with direction of the park and all that kind of stuff. I've lived here in Orlando for over 2 years now, and I come to Universal pretty often, probably about 3 to 4 times a week I come to Universal. So these are just things that you can kind of get an idea of what you should have to start your day. Now the rest is up to you. You dictate your life, you dictate what you want to do. But these are some things that I would suggest that you definitely do on your first day. Number 5, try one of the many restaurants here at Universal. Personally, I think you should try Finnegan's. It is my favorite restaurant here, well, in Orlando, I believe. And I would suggest just trying that restaurant. Now, you can actually walk up when it's a slower day. You can walk up and get a reservation, but you're gonna wanna call them and get a reservation over the phone. I'm not sure if you can get it on the app or not. I'll have to check. I would suggest doing Finnegan's. It's an Irish pub, great food. We have tons of videos on us going there, and I'll link those down below. And I think that's your best choice. Now, they do have other ones too, like Richter's Burgers over on Universal side, Mythos and Islands of Adventure, just different ones like that. But I think Finnegan's should be your first, and tell them that I sent you. Tip number 6, you're gonna wanna visit all of the Universal Studios stores on property in both Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure and CityWalk. Inside the Universal shops, you're gonna find different merch like Jurassic Park, Minions, Harry Potter, everything that you can think of. I would definitely suggest checking this out at the end of the day so you don't have to carry it through the park with you all day. And the last thing you should do is go to CityWalk at the end of the day. Chill out in CityWalk, check out the shops, go eat at a restaurant here. There's plenty of restaurants here. I recommend Cowfish or Big Fire. Either one is amazing. That's what I would do. Check out CityWalk, have fun in CityWalk, and just walk around, catch the vibe of CityWalk. Get you some drinks if you're into that. Get you some voodoo donuts. If you're into that, I'm not, but if you're into that, you can do that. CityWalk is an amazing thing. And it's open usually until 1 or 2 a.m. So you can leave the parks and just still catch the Universal vibes right here in CityWalk. It's amazing. So there you have it, 7 quick tips to help you with your first day here at Universal Orlando Resort. I hope this helped you out. I hope your first day is amazing. I hope your whole vacation is amazing. And you come back and give it another chance. Because Universal is an amazing theme park. It's awesome. Enjoy your trip. Remember, the road goes ever on. I'll see you next time.